Hey guys, welcome back to JD Mods. We are in the final stretch of working on Ellie, my 1992 Toyota MR2. We just finished bleeding the clutch, we already bled the brakes. Our only hang up now, the only reason it can't go on the ground is because we do not have the right rotors for this car. We accidentally bought 92, which yes, this car is a 92. We did not realize it had the upgraded 93 brakes. We were having quite a time sourcing those rotors and brake pads, so while we wait for those, we are actually going to be restoring my Kouki taillights. So my MR2 actually originally came with Altezza style taillights. They're kind of an eBay taillight that I didn't love. It also came with Zenki, so I had originally planned on running those, but I got really lucky and we actually found Kouki taillights for only $400, which sounds like a lot, but Koukis actually go for over $1,000 now, so I got very, very lucky finding these. So as you can see, these taillights are not in great condition. It looked like somebody already started the restoration process and then gave up for some reason. So we are going to be restoring them today. So the process is pretty much the same as restoring a headlight. We're going to start off with 800 grit sandpaper because they are pretty bad, and then we're going to slowly work our way up to 2000. And then I have some paints to touch up the taillights when they're all sanded down. I have red tint to tint these orange side markers red because I do not like the orange and it does not look good on my car. I have black paint. We are going to end up messing up this black trim, so we're going to have to fix it. And then I have a very good clear coat to seal it all in. So now we're going to start sanding, starting with 800 grit and working our way up to 2000. So we have both taillights sanded down. I kind of wish I did a close-up shot of before because they were really terrible. But anyways, they are sanded and I'm getting ready to tape them. You can see that we didn't bring it back up to like a full gloss, but we didn't want to and we didn't need to because we A, need a surface for the paint to stick to, and B, the red tint as well as the clear coat will bring out that really glossy look. There you have it, both taillights taped up and ready for paint. So now we are going to go ahead and tint the taillights with this VHT Nightshades red tint. And I'm actually going to get Kyle to do it for me because he is my pro painter. He actually painted my entire car, so I definitely entrust him to paint the taillights. So there they are with 3 coats of the VHT red tint, and I think they look pretty darn good. Nice and glossy and dark cherry red, including the orange signals. So now we are going to peel off the tape and get ready to clear coat. The tape is peeled off and we are ready for the clear coat. So there are the taillights fully painted. It was 3 coats of color and 3 coats of clear, and I'm very happy with how they turned out. Look how glossy they look. So now I'm going to throw them on the car and show you how they look. So there are the taillights installed on the car, and wow, do they ever look so good. I'm very happy with how that turned out. I'll throw a picture in so you can recall what they looked like at the beginning. That is a huge improvement. Very, very happy I decided to get rid of the orange. So there is a close-up of the taillights. You can see it a little more detailed. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this little restoration of my Kouki taillights. As always, please like, comment, and subscribe.